Welcome to another episode of Life in Rural Japan. Today I'm up here at Honda. We're going to have a look at the new 2024 N-Boxes. So we'll see what the difference is, see what they like, the prices and that. So let's get into it. Now this one, they're quite nice at the front. They've got the LED lights in them. Wheels a bit changed. This one is 2.2 million yen. It's a nice red actually, it's got a bit of metal flake in it. Black roof, black mirrors. Nice wheels on it. This is your N-Box Custom. Righto, inside you've got all your controls on your wheels. On the wheel you've got paddle up and paddle down for your shifters. Got all your cruise control and everything. Auto lights. No key in it. So up here you got a space for your navi, entertainment system. It's not bad room in the front actually. You've got quite a lot of room. Just two seats are very close together, so very cozy in the front. Yeah, very similar. Yeah. Check out the back, eh? Actually, the doors are quite nice. They've got this leather sort of on the side of the doors. Sewn in. It's quite nice, quite comfortable. Seats in the back are really nice. Really nice. I like the pattern in them. A lot of room here in the back. But in the boot, there's nothing. Oh, you got an armrest on the front seat that will fold down. They've all got plastic on them. But the roofs are very high in these. It really makes them feel a lot more roomy than they are. Oh, they've got sunshades on the windows so you can pull it up, give you a bit of sunshade. Yeah, so in the boot there's no room at all, but in here there's a lot of room, a lot of leg room. You can stretch right out. For running around town you can't beat these things. Good visibility, everything. Now this is another N-Box Custom. This one's got little driving lights down the front of it. The grille's similar, a little bit different. It's had an upgrade, this one. It tells you here. It's had the 70,000 yen upgrade. It's got a few little features. So this one ran you 2 million. It's a bit cheaper than the other one. It's in a black. Bugger of a colour to clean. But inside it's the same. Inside's the same. Oh, this is, yeah, it's exactly the same inside here. This has got different seats. It's got like a suede in the centre. Now you can see they've got one folded down there, so you can put a lot of long things in here. Same thing, got all the shades on the windows and all. They're just running around town. These are great little cars. Now this one is the N-Van. So they also have these as work ones too, work cars. So these are really no frill for the work cars. They're just very plain. But this one's done up for passengers, so we'll check it out inside. It's the N-Van. The seats are... well, the other ones have electronic things. This has just got the speedo like this. The others are all electric. Still got all your controls on here, but not as flash looking. You got your entertainment over here. Yeah, these are a lot different. But this is 1.7 million. It's got a little strap here on the thing to hold your water bottles and that, which is interesting. Yeah, you can have your water bottle down here. Now this one they got the seats. Yeah, the seats in the back are real plain. These wouldn't be real comfortable at all. But they got them pushed right forward. Now that's interesting. The windows in the back. See, this is the van for the commercial thing. So you can pop your windows out like this, let a bit of air flow through. So it's a bit different, yeah. But these are more designed for work. They're not so luxurious. But they've got the seats pushed forward, so it should have a fair bit of room in the back. So it has got quite a lot of room in the back here now. But has got straps here so you can put stuff. Got a strap here. Just plastic mats in the back. Yeah. So these are more a commercial vehicle than a passenger. This is the N van. So this will run you about 1.7 million. So it's not much different. It's only like 300,000. But you're getting a lot more for your 300,000 with the other ones. This just got hubcaps on. Where your end boxes have mag wheels. So that's a little bit of a look at the new Honda end boxes for 2024. I quite like the red one myself. Looks pretty nice with a two-tone. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. Which one you would like.